The 8th Congress of the Communist Party of Cuba has come to an end. According to experts, the political meeting has put the country in better conditions to face the economic, social, and political challenges for years to come. Additionally, participants noted the importance to promote foreign investment, to develop tourism, to increase food production, and to continue spreading the private sector nationwide.
Creo que el Congreso del partido traiga mejoramiento para la situación económica del país, sí lo creo.
Ha sido un congreso histórico, patriótico, revolucionario, comprometido.
The Congress took place in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic and monitoring of the whole and the intensification of the U.S. economic sanctions against the island. The economy, the ideology, and the internal functioning of the party were part of the agenda.
Las nuevas generaciones van a seguir adelante porque tienen la experiencia de los antiguos, de los antecesores, y ellos están preparados para continuar el sistema de este país, y por eso vamos a hacer continuidad.
Also during the Congress, Cuban President Miguel Díaz-Canel was elected new first secretary of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of Cuba, substituting Army General Raúl Castro, who had occupied that position since April 2011.
Nuestra organización está urgida de cambios en su estilo de trabajo más acordes con esta época y sus desafíos. El Partido Comunista de Cuba continuará en el reconocimiento y defensa de nuestras esencias, la independencia, la soberanía, la democracia socialista, la paz, la eficiencia económica, la seguridad y las conquistas de justicia social, el socialismo.
Cubans feel confident that the Communist Party of Cuba will continue defending the independence of the Caribbean nation. The Congress has set the route towards prosperity and improvement of living conditions of people on the island.